So today we'll show you how to add the GitHub commands to completion in the terminal, and also to show the current branch. So let's give you a hint, show you how this will be. So let's say go document, and this I make a test folder. So as you see here, so we'll add the current GitHub branch, and then the auto completion. Let's say I want to put write git, I just put gi and then hit tab and will auto complete. This one will auto complete all GitHub commands, so as they are built in the terminal. And the second thing, will add the color coding, like the color to color the initial of the terminal. Let's see, as you see here, we have, I put the time, and then my username, and then the path, and then the current branch in GitHub. So here, every piece of this data is in different color. So we'll show you how to do that. And other thing I want to show you is, for example, let's put ls. See here, or ls. So if you, as you see here, all the files are in white and folders are in different color. For example, here is in purple. I'll show you how even to use different colors. So let's get started. First thing you need is two files. You need to paste them. So those two files, you need one called git-completion.bash and git-prompt.sh. I'll put those two files in the description, and copy them and paste them in the root folder. For example, my username is Anwar, and I put them in the root folder, paste them in there. The second step is to go to the bash profile and add one line of code so the git stuff work. Let's say, you can open the bash profile file. So I'll open it with atom. So I'll put sudo atom and then tilde dash bash profile. You can open it with nano too, so which is a built-in, probably you will like it better. Yeah, so you use the same thing. You put sudo atom nano and then tilde slash dash bash profile, and then hit enter and you will open it. I like to use atom tilde bash underscore profile and slash dot bash profile. So you put your password, enter. Yeah, now we'll open the bash profile, and you need to add this line here so the git completion will work. So as I showed you before, you just save it and you exit, and it will show you same as this one here, showing you the current branch and the auto completion. Let's say put init, because it's already initialized. So yeah, so git init. Yeah, see here, show you even like help. Say if you want to add, you can add init. All these are GitHub commands. The second thing is to add these colors here. So in my case here, I added the time, and then my username, and then the path of the current folder or file I'm working on, and then the current branch, GitHub branch I'm working in. So how to do that? It's very easy too. So I'll show you that. We have to make some edit to the bash profile, same thing. So I'll put sudo atom tilde slash dot bash profile, enter, and it will open your text editor. So, and here you will copy whatever you see here, just copy it and paste it in your bash profile. You might have this export ps1, just make the edit like the edit, or if you have the default one, so you never change it or you didn't change it before, you just edit it and make it exactly like this, or you just copy and paste this one here. So, and if you see here, there is some color variables of colors. This is the colors I wanted, but if you want more colors, I prepared the link that contain from GitHub. See here, there is many colors and many kinds of colors. So for example, here there are regular colors, bold colors, underlines, and they are with their variables. So you just, if you want to use these, you just copy them, let's say Control C, and you go to the bash profile, and you want to change these or add them in the list, and then you will use the variable names in the ps1 here. You just add them. So yellow, red, green, you can use your own colors, paste them and use them, and then you just save it and exit, and then try your terminal, or you can even close it and open it again to make sure it will work 100%. So let's say alas, see here all the folders are in color and the regular files are in white. If you go to any, let's say cd document slash test folder, enter, it will show you the path colored with the time and then the current GitHub branch. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit subscribe and thumbs up, and see you in the next time.